Halo. 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 Halo, mic check. Halo. Hello. Hello, my chick. Hello. Hello. Why?
Everyone, kindly rise as the dignitaries have arrived. I now request Professor Nitin Joshua and Professor Mohammad Gospir to escort the dignitaries onto the dais. Everyone, kindly take your seat. In the sphere of modeling and design, the collaboration of varied talents and expertise underscores innovation. Every individual, from ideation to execution, contributes to a holistic excellence where innovation, precision, and skill converge. This faculty development program goes beyond traditional learning. igniting a collective spirit that transcends boundaries and sets new benchmarks in modeling and design for manufacturing. A very good morning to you all. I, Vivek Vijay Kumar, will be your master of ceremonies for today. I welcome everyone to the inaugural function of the Faculty Development Program on Modeling and Design for Manufacturing Excellence, MDME, using Fusion 360, organized jointly by the Departments of Aeronautical, Automobile, Mechanical, and Marine Engineering at Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachil, Mangaluru. Prayer. Prayer is not merely a ritual, but a profound connection to the source of all creation. In the moments of reflection and supplication that follow, may we find solace, clarity, and divine inspiration. I now request Ms. Sharanya from the Department of Aeronautical Engineering to lead us in a word of prayer. Everybody kindly rise.
मदगज मुख पालिसो हेरंभा मदगज मुख पालिसो अनुदिन निन्न आराधिसुवेनो मने मनदೊಳಗಿನ ದೋಷವನೀಗಿಸೋ मदगज मुख पालिसो हेरंभा मदगज मुख पालिसो ಮೊದಲ ಪೂಜೆಯು ನಿನಗೆ ನೀಡುವೆ ಗಣಪತಿ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಕಳೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಘ್ನದ ದುರ್ಗತಿ ಮೊದಲ ಪೂಜೆಯು ನಿನಗೆ ನೀಡುವೆ ಗಣಪತಿ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಕಳೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಘ್ನದ ದುರ್ಗತಿ ಶುದ್ಧ ಮನದಿ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿಹ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಸರ್ವವನಿತ್ತು ಸಲಹು ವಿನಾಯಕನೇ ಮದಗಜ ಮುಖ ಪಾಲಿಸೋ ಹೇರಂಭಾ ಮದಗಜ ಮುಖ ಪಾಲಿಸೋ.
Thank you, Ms. Sharanya. Everybody kindly take your seat. Hospitality is the art of making others feel at home when we are away from our own home. When we extend a genuine welcome, we open our hearts to embrace others, making them feel valued and cherished. I now request Professor Nitin Joshua, coordinator of the FDP, to welcome the gathering and also introduce our chief guest, Mr. Maruti GV Mdme Technologies, Bangalore.
Good morning, everyone. Sunshine is a welcome thing. It brings a lot of brightness, says Jimmy Davis. Respected dignitaries on and of the dais, I deem it a great privilege to welcome you all for the inaugural function of 1 week faculty development program on modeling and design for manufacturing excellence 2023, organized by Department of Aeronautical, Automobile, Marine and Mechanical Engineering, Srinivas Institute of Technology, Mangaluru. I feel proud and honored to welcome Mr. Maruti GV, Design Engineer, Mdme Technologies, Bengaluru, as the chief guest of today's function. Mr. Maruti GV has master degree in machine design from UBDT Davangere, Karnataka in 2014, from VTU Belagavi. Mechanical Engineering from STJ Institute of Technology in 2012 from VTU Belagavi. His software skills are Autodesk Fusion 360, Creo, SolidWorks, Solid Edge, AutoCAD Mechanical. His subject special expectations are elements of mechanical engineering, strength of materials, kinematics, dynamics of machines, composite materials. His achievements are, he has published 5 international journal papers, guided 14 batches of BE projects, guided 4 KCST sponsored projects, and conducted many FDP and SDP programs in various technical institutions. Mr. Maruti GV is a certified from Autodesk for Fusion 360 and Autodesk certified instructor. Welcome you, sir.
I now request Dr. Lokesh KS to florally welcome the chief guest of today's inauguration function, Mr. Maruti GV, Mdme Technologies, Bengaluru.
I am happy to welcome President of today's program, Dr. Srinivasa Mayadi, Principal SIT Mangaluru. Welcome you, sir.
I now request Dr. Praveen Shenoy to florally welcome the president of today's inaugural function, Dr. Srinivasa Mayadi, Principal, Srinivas Institute of Technology, Mangaluru.
I extend a warm welcome to Dr. Shankar KS, Professor and Head, Department of Mechanical and Marine Engineering, SIT Mangaluru. Welcome you, sir.
I now request Professor Jairam Tumbe to florally welcome Dr. Shankar KS, HOD, Mechanical and Marine Engineering, Srinivas Institute of Technology, Mangaluru.
I extend a warm welcome to Dr. R.K. Hegde, Professor and Head, Department of Automobile and Aeronautical Engineering, SIT Mangaluru. Welcome you, sir.
I now request Dr. Lokesh V to florally welcome Dr. R.K. Hegde, HOD, Aeronautical and Automobile Engineering, Srinivas Institute of Technology, Mangaluru.
I am happy to welcome all the participants from various technical institutions for taking a keen part in this faculty development program. I also welcome HODs and faculty members of various departments. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to you all, Mdme 2023. Thank you so much.
Lighting the lamp is a symbolic gesture that requires the triumph of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, good over evil, and a time-honored tradition in many cultures that symbolizes the pursuit of knowledge, wisdom, and truth. I now request all the dignitaries to inaugurate the Faculty Development Program on Modeling Design for Manufacturing and Excellence, MDME, using Fusion 360 by lighting the lamp. Could I request two external participants, could you come forward to light the lamp? Any two external participants? Please, sir. Thank you, sirs. Kindly take your seat. I now request Dr. Shankar KS, HOD, Mechanical and Marine Engineering, to brief us about the Faculty Development Program.
Good morning, one and all. Respected President of today's FTP inaugural program, beloved principal, Dr. Srinivas Maya sir, Dr. Ramakrishnan Hegde, ISC convener and professor and head of Department of Aeronautical and Automobile Engineering, resource person of this 5 days FTP and chief guest of today's program, Mr. Marut, coordinators of the FTP, Professor Nitin and Professor Gauspir, external participants from various colleges, my colleagues and dear students. This faculty development program not the case in IT related branches. So in that respect, the Board of Studies of Mechanical Engineering of VTU is constantly striving to bridge that gap by introducing more and more courses which are relevant to the industry, and also bringing in third semester of mechanical and allied streams the computer aided engineering, machine drawing which was earlier being remodeled into use the new generation tool, that is Fusion 360. So in that respect, the Mdme Technologies are the partner in partnering with the VTU, and they are conducting this FDPs across. Probably this is the second or third FDP being conducted in the VTU level. When we approached Mdme Technologies, they were very happy to offer this FDP, and they also sent the resource person who is also a former teacher. So he knows how we can bring the industry to the classroom so that this FDP is going to be a successful one. So I thank Mdme Technologies for taking this opportunity, for giving this opportunity for us to host this FDP, 5 days FDP, and deputing their resource person. I request the faculty members, especially as we know, the mechanical stream, if you want to survive, we need to upgrade our skills, and this is one opportunity wherein we can sit for 5 days and try to master this Fusion 360, which will be helping us in understanding and making the students ready for the industry, from the 2D drafting to 3D modeling, and to analyze, do the simulation. It's a 360 degree. That is the reason it is Fusion 360. So the faculty members can take the advantage of that, and I'm also thankful to the faculty members from neighboring institutes who have readily came here and are being participating in this FDP program. And this initiative will continue from the departments of mechanical, marine, automobile and aeronautical to provide more and more opportunities for the faculty members as well as students. So I congratulate the team of Professor Nitin and Gauspir for hosting this and organizing this 5 days FDP, and wish everyone successful FDP in the coming 5 days. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. I now request the chief guest of today's inaugural function, Mr. Maruti GV, Mdme Technologies Bengaluru, to please address the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. Respected dignitaries on the dais, principal sir, then HODs of our various department, and the event coordinators, and my dear faculty members and student friends. See, since I am from teaching background, I know the difficulties what the core people are facing nowadays. See, due to the corona effect and also the IT boom, that is work from home, okay, those things shaded the main core areas like civil, mechanical and electrical engineering. But one thing I want to say, the future belongs to only the core peoples. Okay. See, 3 months back, a TCS vice president openly announced that they are now in 2023, from 2023, they are building a very big projects for only core peoples like mechanical and mechanical allied branches and electrical branches. Okay. See, actually, when it comes to the core area like mechanical engineering, civil engineering and electrical, the people, the main thing is what the skill sets. Okay, nowadays I think you people know that the government people, they are trying to make India as a manufacturing hub in the world. Okay, number one manufacturing world in the manufacturing hub in the world. For that one, the main branches which they are going to benefit because of this one is what the mechanical and mechanical allied branches and electrical branches. Okay, but the thing is that, see, the industry, when it comes to industry, there they want a skilled engineers. Okay, the main thing is that nowadays the core people, okay, the core people, if you have a skilled, okay, skills in your that is career, means what, skills in your that is student career, at that time definitely you are going to get a job in the future. Okay, see, our vice president, Autodesk vice president, 2 months back, they openly announced that in future, in upcoming 2 to 3 years, there will be a 2 to 3 billion jobs will be generated only in the core branches, not in IT, only the core branches. Now the ball in our court, that is the core people court. Now you need to see build skills. That is very, very important. Now see, in upcoming 3 days, I am going to teach you about a trendy software in the market based in mechanical and allied branches, that is Fusion 360, where you are going to study about all the things. Like, see, when it comes to mechanical engineering, you must aware of 3 main parts, like designing, analysis and manufacturing. Okay, and see, the Fusion 360 is, as the name indicates, Fusion 360. It is what? It is combination of knowledge from all the directions. See, you are going to study about designing, then analysis, then manufacturing, 3D printing, additive manufacturing, then animation, rendering, and especially generative design. I think, see, since here aeronautical people are also present, okay, I think you people are aware of this generative design. Okay, see, if you study in these areas, means what, if you become a very good hold on this particular software, that is Fusion 360, you are having a very bright future. Okay, now see, I don't take much time because see, as the session progresses, I am going to give a hands-on session on these softwares. At the end of the this program, you are going to say that Fusion 360 what? It is the best software where we are going to study about all the things. Okay, and now I would like to thank principal sir and various HODs of various department and program that is coordinators. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I now request the president of today's function, Dr. Srinivasa Mayya D, Principal Srinivasa Institute of Technology, to kindly address the gathering.
Good morning. Mr. Maruti from Mdme Technologies, Dr. R.K. Hegde, Head of the Department of Automobile and Aeronautical and IQS Chairman, Dr. Shankar, Head of the Department of Mechanical and Marine, Mr. Professor Nitin Joshua and Professor Mohammad Gospir, my colleagues, participants from other colleges, dear students. As already briefed by Professor Shankar, this the second faculty development is organized under mechanical departments in line with the VTU syllabus. As the syllabus is going to be get revised, teachers, faculties also should be get to be updated in various knowledges. So keeping that in the mind, we decided to have a faculty development on every year in each departments, so that our faculty also to be get updated with various technologies, what is the required at present scenario. Now, why this the latest softwares to be learned by the people? Maybe a Fusion 360. As already our chief guest is briefed about that, it includes the modeling, design and manufacturing and generative designs. All this is to be required by at present the faculty as well as who are getting passed to the mechanical allied branches. See, as generally we say that, okay, we select our factor of safety in the design earlier days, okay. We say generally it should varies from 2 to 4, but if you see that any of our machines or any of the mechanical systems, if you look at that, it is more than 10 times. Because all say that it should be safety point of it. So automatically it becomes costly. So now the technology has came, like this Fusion 360 or ANSYS or many things, okay, if I talks. So you can able to reduce the material cost by having good modeling, design and analysis. Ultimately that design can be manufactured. Maybe thinking that design, any people can able to do designs, but can it be manufactured? That is the big questions will be there. Everything can't be manufactured. Nowadays, we are changing, the technology is getting changing, like as a 3D printing, anything can be able to done through the 3D printing. Okay, like that the technology changes. When the technology changes, we should adapt ourselves to the technology. And we should also have a contributions for the development of technologies. Keeping all this in the mind, this workshop faculty development program was organized in the college. So I request all the faculty members involve in each step and learn maximum things from this faculty development program. So then build yourself in the software and you will become master in the software so that you can able to teach to the students in the coming days. So don't leave FDP is over. I love it not to be like that. The technology is such a way that new things you have to update on every day. So this is the fundamentals the resource person is going to teach to all the faculty members or the students. So building that is your duty in the coming days. With this, I would like to thanks Mr. Maruti and Mdme Technologies for coming here and organizing this event as a resource person. Also, I would like to thank Mechanical Department and all the allied branches for conducting this faculty development program for the benefit of the faculty of our college as well as nearby colleges and to our students. With this, I request once again, involve yourself, carry maximum from this faculty development program. I wish you have a good day and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It turns what we have into enough and more. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos to order, confusion to clarity. It can turn a meal to a feast, a house to a home, and a stranger to a friend. Now I request Professor Mohammad Gospe from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, coordinator of the FTP, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning all. Thank you is such a prayer that cannot be seen or touched. It must be felt by heart. I feel honored and privileged to get the opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this special occasion. I, on behalf of the organizing committee, convey deep regards and hearty thanks to our chief guest, Mr. Maruti GV, Mdme Technologies, for gracing the occasion. Thank you, sir. My sincere thanks to our beloved principal, Dr. Srinivasamaya D., president of today's function, and for his help and support at various stages. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank our beloved head of departments, Dr. Ramakrishnan Hegde and Dr. Shankar K.S., for their constant help and guidance that radiated a source of energy within us. We will ever remain grateful to you, and we thank you for being with us today. Thank you, sirs. I thank Professor Nitin Joshua, my coordinator of the FDP, who always support and motivate. Thank you, sir. I feel proud and thank all the external participants and their HODs and principals for sending and for attending the external participants. Thank you, sirs. I thank all my colleagues, organizing committee members for their support. Then, last but not the least, I thank our management, a Shamarao Foundation, Mangaluru, for providing opportunity to conduct this FDP. I thank our system admin and supporting staff and who have helped us directly and indirectly to conduct this FDP. Have a pleasant stay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. With this, we have come to the end of the inaugural function. I now request Professor Mdme Gospir and Professor Nitin Joshua to please escort the dignitaries of the dais. I would then request all the dignitaries and the participants to kindly stay back for a group photo. All right.